Hello, dear listeners, and welcome back to Living Out God's Words, with you host Grace, the podcast where we dive deep into the boundless ocean of Scripture to find pearls of wisdom, hope, and peace. I'm your host, Grace, and today, we're embarking on a journey of faith over fear, discovering the unshakable peace that comes from standing on God's promises. In a world that constantly bombards us with reasons to be afraid, whether it's personal struggles, global crises, or the unknown future, we're often left searching for a solid rock to cling to. But, as we'll uncover today, the Bible offers us that very foundation. Through Scripture, we can find the assurance and calm that only God's promises can provide. Join me as we explore the stories, the promises, and the divine truths that not only uplift our spirits but also equip us to face life's challenges with unwavering faith. Ready to trade your fears for God's peace? Let's dive in. To truly grasp the peace that comes from God's promises, we must first understand the foundation of our faith. Faith isn't just a hopeful wish or blind optimism. According to Hebrews 11 verse 1, now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Faith is a confident assurance based on the truth of God's word. Consider the story of Abraham in Genesis 12. God called him to leave his home and go to a land he would show him. Abraham had no roadmap, no detailed plan, just God's promise. In Genesis 12 verses 2-3, God said, I will make you into a great nation, and I will bless you. I will make your name great, and you will be a blessing. Abraham stepped out in faith, trusting in God's promise even when he couldn't see the entire picture. This is where we draw our first lesson. Trust in God's promises requires stepping out in faith, even when the path isn't clear. It's about believing that God's word is true, even if our circumstances suggest otherwise. Remember Romans 10 verse 17, so then faith comes by hearing, and hearing by the word of God. The more we immerse ourselves in Scripture, the stronger our faith becomes, because it's built on the solid foundation of God's unchanging truth. When we face fear and uncertainty, let's remember Abraham's journey. His faith wasn't in the unknown journey but in the known God. Just as Abraham trusted in God's promises, we too can find peace and confidence by grounding our faith in His Word. Now that we've established the foundation of faith, let's turn our attention to how we can find peace in the midst of life's storms. Life is unpredictable, and challenges can arise without warning. Yet, the Bible gives us numerous examples of how God's promises provide peace even in the most turbulent times. One powerful example is found in the story of Jesus calming the storm in Mark 4 verses 35-41. As Jesus and his disciples were crossing the Sea of Galilee, a fierce storm arose. The disciples, experienced fishermen, were terrified. But where was Jesus? He was in the stern, asleep on a cushion. In their panic, the disciples woke him and said, "Teacher, don't you care if we drown?" Jesus got up, rebuked the wind, and said to the waves, "Peace, be still." The wind died down, and it was completely calm. Then Jesus asked his disciples, "Why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith?" This passage teaches us a profound lesson. Peace is not the absence of storms but the presence of Jesus. When we invite Him into our situations and trust in His power, we can experience a calm that transcends our circumstances. Philippians 4 verses 6-7 echoes this sentiment. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. In our own lives, storms will come, be it personal trials, health issues, financial difficulties, or relational conflicts. But like the disciples, we have the privilege of turning to Jesus, who is with us in every situation. His promise in John 14 verse 27 is a comfort to our souls. "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled and do not be afraid." When fear tries to take hold, remember that Jesus is in your boat. His presence brings peace, and His promises give us the strength to remain calm, no matter how fierce the storm may be. In our final segment today, let's explore how we can embrace God's promises daily, making them a living part of our everyday lives. It's one thing to know about God's promises, it's another to actively live in them each day. A beautiful example of daily reliance on God's promises is found in the life of King David. Despite facing numerous challenges, including threats to his life and betrayal, David continually sought God and relied on His promises. In Psalm 23, David declares, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul." David's confidence in God's provision and guidance is palpable. How can we, like David, embrace God's promises daily? First, it starts with spending time in the Word. Joshua 1 verse 8 encourages us, "Keep this book of the law always on your lips, meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful." By meditating on Scripture, we remind ourselves of God's truths and let them permeate our thoughts and actions. Second, we need to pray with faith, bringing our worries and needs before God. Philippians 4 verses 6-7, which we mentioned earlier, emphasizes the power of prayer in experiencing God's peace. When we present our requests to God with thanksgiving, we open our hearts to His peace that guards us against fear and anxiety. Lastly, let's practice gratitude. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 18 reminds us, "Give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus." Gratitude shifts our focus from our problems to the goodness of God, reinforcing our trust in His promises. Living out God's promises is a daily journey. It requires intentionality and faith. By immersing ourselves in Scripture, praying with confidence, and cultivating a heart of gratitude, we can experience the peace and hope that come from God's unchanging promises every single day. Thank you for joining me today on Living Out God's Words with Grace. I hope you feel inspired and encouraged to embrace God's promises and find peace amidst life's storms. Remember, faith is our foundation, peace is found in God's presence, and embracing His promises daily transforms our lives. As you go about your week, I challenge you to spend time in the Word, bring your worries to God in prayer, and practice gratitude. Let God's promises be your anchor and His peace your comfort. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who might need a reminder of God's faithfulness. You can also follow us on social media for more inspirational content and updates. Until next time, keep living out God's words, and may His peace be with you always. This is Grace, signing off.